Alright, so I don't know if or when I'm going to upload this video, but today is Monday the 27th of October, and I'm sitting here waiting for the time to go outside because I have my first driving lesson. I'm nervous AF, and of course today it's very gloomy outside, it's raining, it's windy, so basically I'm nervous. I didn't sleep well last night because I was dreaming about this moment, not in a good way I can tell you, so I was very restless. I feel like I just want to cancel the appointment, but I know I can't do that, and I won't do that because I have to go through this fear. I've been telling myself no matter what happens today, a win is a win because I'm actually getting in a car, something I've been putting off for at least 15 years. Today is the day. I'm in a way excited, curious to learn new things, but at the same time I'm nervous. I think it's also a part of being a perfectionist, but I know that I'm doing these lessons so I can learn, so it's normal for it not to be perfect, but I don't know, this fear of failing, something that always haunts me, I guess. As I talk, I can just feel my nerves go up. My heart rate is all up to here, and I'm trying to calm myself, but I'm trying to have the faith that everything will be okay. I need to believe in me. I know my family believes in me, my girlfriend believes in me, so I'm gonna do it, man. So when I'm done, when I'm back, I'll come back and tell you how it was. So 24 hours after my first driver's lesson, I have to be honest, I was nervous. As I said before in the video, I was nervous, but to be honest, the fear I had for the lessons were bigger than the actual lessons, and this is crazy, man. Oftentimes when I'm scared of something or nervous to do something, after I realized that the fear I had, the worries I had were bigger than the actual thing. So it was a very pleasant first encounter, first instruction lesson, and I must say this, and I still can't believe I am saying this, I'm looking forward to the next lesson. So yeah, I was nervous and I had the worst weather ever, so I think, it can't get worse than this. So after this, everything will be much more easier, I believe, I hope. Yeah, man, and I drive this beautiful car. This is an electric Kia, close to a Range Rover in my opinion. It's not a Range, but it is what it is. So yeah, it was an amazing experience. To be honest, a couple of days before the lessons, I actually wanted to cancel because I was so nervous and afraid. But I'm glad that I pushed through, and I feel this sense of pride, 15 years I've been putting this off, and yesterday I finally decided to take the step to conquer that fear. And I'm pretty sure there's going to be ups and downs probably, but it's all part of the journey. And the instructor just encourages me and says, you know what, this is going to be faster than you think. Before you know it, you're ready to pass or take the exam. So yeah, man, I'm excited for the future. I'm excited for what's to come. I'm excited for getting my own car. I'm excited to step into this new world, this new identity. Since I'm doing this fitness vlog, every once in a while I will be giving you a short update on how it's going. So yeah, that's basically it. Today, we're going to do something different. Well, not different, but I want to share something with you. It's that time again. I purchased some new supplements. Nothing very special, but since we're talking about fitness, I thought, you know what, let me share this with you. So I'm going to unpack what I have and then get ready to do a workout. Alright, so I changed my outfit in order for me to work out. I already took my pre-workout like 2 minutes ago, so I'm waiting for it to kick in. I've been experimenting with different supplements, and my girlfriend used this brand, I've never heard of it before, called Upfront. So I decided to cop some protein powder to try it out, see if the flavor is better than my protein and my Body and Fit. This looks very illegal, but this is the matcha version, so I stole a bit and tried it out and I liked it. So I thought, let me try the vanilla flavor and also some electrolytes. We might also use this for when we go on vacation, but I'll make another video in 2026 about that. Electrolytes to add to your water or whatever the hell you drink. That's it. And apparently I got a free scoop because there's no scoop in the protein powder, so awesome. So that's pretty much it. Getting ready to do a workout. As I said before, let me put these things back. It looks amazing though. So this is, by the way, orange flavor, so I'm curious to know what it tastes like. And also, of course, the protein, which I probably will be drinking later before going to bed. I'm gonna add the matcha in here. All right, so the workout of today. Unfortunately, today is the time of the month, so I feel like shit, to be honest. My energy is super low. And my foot has been acting up again. I'm getting tired of repeating the same thing, but unfortunately that's the reality I'm going through right now. But anyway, I'm going to do what I can. So I have some floor presses, barbell row, shoulder press, tricep extension, and supported goblet. I'm going to basically assist myself on the bench with the goblet in order for me not to strain my back too much. So that's pretty much it. 30-45 minutes, and I guess we'll be done then. All right, so let's get into it. I am done. Took me 30 minutes. I'm happy that I showed up, even though I'm not feeling completely fit. But I realized that, or at least I'm realizing that, being consistent with my nutrition, with my workouts, reminds me that I need to start making videos about nutrition though. But being consistent at the gym, or at my home gym, it spills into other areas of life. Like I said, I wanted to cancel the driving lessons, but I didn't, because I love a challenge. I also love to challenge myself when I'm working out, and I think all these things keep me consistent, even though it's my first lesson. But I know that I don't want to let fear control my life. It has been doing so for the past 15 years, at least when it comes to the driving, right? And I'm tired of that. I'm not gonna sit here and say that I'm not scared anymore or I'm not nervous, because I am. I'm here to challenge myself to move the border, if that's what you call it, to make my comfort zone a bit smaller or bigger, depends on how you look at it. I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone, let me put it that way. And the only way to do so is to actually take action, man. And I can't be sitting here talking about taking action and improving your life, and I'm not doing it myself. So yeah, I'm trying to be an example, even though if nobody watches this video ever. I want my future self to look back and be proud of where I started. And we're just gonna keep going, man. Right now I'm just gonna prepare my food and just wind down a bit. And in a different video I talked about, at least I thought I talked about it, the fact that my laptop is breaking down, so I ordered a new one. I thought about it and I said to myself, why hold myself back if I am able to afford a new laptop, right? And yes, it might be a chunk out of my savings, but at least I have the savings and I can miss it. So you know what? I see this as an investment for my YouTube channel, for my videos, because I'm able to hopefully edit and export videos faster. Because this old laptop, man, I feel sorry for it. It's been working hard and I feel like it's time to upgrade. I thought about buying a MacBook, but I said to myself, why would I spend 1,400 euros on a MacBook that I don't even really like? I like Windows. So anyway, it doesn't matter. It should be a better laptop. Should be coming in today in about an hour or so. And I'll probably do an unpack in a different video, or maybe in this one, I don't know yet. Anyway, I'm rambling. Point of this story is that being consistent is important because it helps you to stay accountable to yourself, and it helps you in different areas of life. And even though it might feel like a small win, a win is a win though. So make sure that you focus on improving every day. It's cliche, but people say that on different occasions for a reason. Make sure you improve every day in order for you to develop yourself as a person. It's painful to see years pass by and you're stuck in the same place, and I've did that for 15 years when it comes to the driving, and I don't want to do that anymore. So I'm proud of myself, even though this is just the beginning. But like I said, a win is a win, and with the ups and the downs, with everything that comes, it's a journey. The first step has been said. So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the workout as much as I did, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Bye. Welcome to another video. I hope you are as excited as I am. Right now it's 18:27 on a Saturday, and I'm excited for this workout. This whole week, basically, I wasn't able to train. No, I'm lying. I trained on Tuesday, I believe. But after that, I felt so bad that I wasn't physically capable of actually doing anything. So I've been looking forward to this workout session, even though I'm tired AF. But I'm ready. So let's go over the workout of the day. I'm doing incline chest press, barbell rows, shoulder presses, supported hammer curls, and some side raises. Should take me no more than 40 minutes, 45 minutes. And yeah, man, like I said, I'm excited. It might not seem that way, but I'm super excited. I'm looking forward to the pump, to the natural high you get after getting a workout done. So yeah, let me drink this, warm up, and let's get into it. All right, man, I did it. I'm prouder and prouder every time I actually do what I said I would do, even though this week has not been perfect at all. But, I weighed myself today and I was weighing around 80.7 kgs, which is a bit more than a couple of days back. But, since it was around the time of the month, I'm not very surprised. Hopefully, coming weeks, it's going to go down. Otherwise, I'm just going to keep it one more week, the same calories, and then decrease them. I do feel some better definition in my shoulders, though. So that's always a good feeling. Being this focused right now is a game changer because I don't have to think a lot about stuff. I just got to know I got to eat healthy. And yes, of course, I have to think about my meals. But other than that, I know that alcohol doesn't fit my schedule. Candy doesn't really fit my schedule. I found out something a couple of days back that I actually didn't think about. I was watching this guy on YouTube. I forgot his name and his channel. But he was saying, if you're used to snacking a lot, like for example, well, actually it speaks for itself. If you're used to snacking a lot, reserve, let's say, 300 calories for your snacks on a daily basis, That way, you're not surpassing your calories, your macros, but you're still able to snack. This way it's more sustainable. So instead of me fighting snacking completely, why not just maybe eat a cookie here and there, as long as it's in that 300 calories or 150, whatever you want. That way, you're still eating what you love to eat and also eating healthy. So that was a very smart one. So I'm going to implement that the coming week, see what happens. That's pretty much it. I'm going to have the second part of my dinner. I had this eggs with wraps, but I ate half of it and I was so full. So I thought, you know what? After my workout, I'm going to eat the other half. So that's what I'm going to do. And then just wind down for the rest of the evening. So yeah, thank you for watching. So today was one of those days I went out to eat. I had some quality time with my girlfriend and I came home and I realized I did not record whatever the hell I was doing. So I wish I could say I can show you better than I can tell you, but I just have to tell you. So I went to this place called Amazing Taste here in the city, and I had a chicken teriyaki bowl. According to ChatGPT, that should be around 600 to 800 calories, which is in this case totally fine, because since I ate around, what time is it now? 3 o'clock. That means that this is going to be my dinner for the day. Before I go to bed, if I get hungry, I might drink some protein shake, maybe some Greek yogurt. So basically, I realize that this is a journey, Every time I make a mistake or I forget to record something, it's a lesson learned for me to take to the next episode. Yeah, so basically, it was a good meal. We had some quality time, which is also important. And basically what I want to say is that even though you're on your fitness journey, you're trying to lose fat or whatever you want to do, body recomposition, don't neglect your social life. I used to do that in the past when I first started. I'm not saying to say yes to everything, but if you do say yes, make sure you make the right choices and balance things out, If you know you're going to have dinner tonight at a restaurant that's not that healthy, make sure that your breakfast is a little bit less calorie dense, for example. This way, you balance things out and you don't surpass your calories that much. So yeah, it's all about balance. Anyway, that's it for now. I just got home, so I'm just going to relax a little bit and get ready for the week.